closer to the camera, and Mato Homala, the local man from Slovakia, Fulin from the Czech Republic. BMW's leading this rolling start. Red lights will stay on a long while until they're right under the gantry, and then away they go, and everybody breaks formation. Well, Fulin, very much the quickest man in qualifying. And Mato Homala on the outside is not going to get in front of him into the first corner. Andreas Pfister in the Seat down the inside, looking for second place. Little lock-up. Oh, and Homala touch from behind. And all hell breaks loose. Half a dozen cars off there. Some badly damaged, those two Seat doors. Now, let's see if we can see what triggers this. Oriola in fourth place on the outside. Immediately looked to be going to the inside. Well, it all kind of gets tangled up behind. That's 2 and 3 wide, James.
It's a difficult corner, you know, it's heavy braking in there and it tightens up.
Ooh, actually, you have to say, the orange and black Seat number 55, drifting wide into the corner. Ferenc Fischer looked to be out of control, clattered into Peter Rickley. Anton Ladigan, Antaj Peter